Hey, what's up guys, I'm Michael King back again with another analysis video. So today's video I'm going to analyzing the Euro USD, and as you can see this is Euro USD in daily time frame. I already marked key levels on Euro USD, so I'm going to explain these key levels on Euro USD. So let's start all the way from this period. As you can see, we have a resistance level at this point because this level rejected price the first time and the second time. Also have a support level at this point during that period because when price was rejected at this point, price fell all the way down to this point and this level rejected price as you can see. So this place being a support level during that period, rejected price and price made an attempt to retest this resistance level that rejected price at this point. So this resistance level rejected price and price fell all the way down to this point, breaking this support level as you can see. So when price fell down to this point, this level acted as a support level, and this level rejected price and price made an attempt to retest this support level. So this support level acted as a resistance level and it rejected price the first time, second time, and the third time. Having been rejected price the third time, price fell all the way down to this point as you can see. So this level was acting as a support level which rejected price, and price once again made an attempt to retest this support level, and this support level now acts as a resistance level and it's rejected price, and price fell once again to this point as you can see, and we have a support level which rejected price at this point. So this level once again rejected price also at this point, meaning that price was rejected at the first time and the second time. But when price was rejected, price made an attempt to probably retest this resistance level, but as you can see, midway, price was rejected and price fell all the way down to this point. So on Euro USD currently, this is the major support level on Euro USD, and this is the current major resistance level on Euro USD. Until the price of Euro USD can go above this level, this still remains the major resistance level of Euro USD. So as you can see, for the past few days, price has been consolidating in between this support level and this major resistance level. So let me switch to the A4 time frame so I can show you what is going on in price currently. So if you look at what is going on in price currently, you can see that this is the major resistance level and this is the major support level. So the price is in between this resistance and support level, and look at the consolidation right now. So you can see that I marked a minor resistance level here and a minor support level here because price has been consolidating in between this minor resistance level and this minor support level. So now if you are a long-term trader, you have to wait for price to break out from this minor resistance level and minor support level. So if price break this minor resistance level, you can place a buy stop order above it, but you have to be careful of this major resistance level at this point. But if price break this minor support level, you can place a sell stop order right below it, but be careful of this major support level because this major resistance level and this major support level might reject price. But if you're a short-term trader, then you can be trading in between this minor resistance level and a minor support level. Let me show you the H1 time frame for that. So looking at the H1 time frame, you can see that this is the minor resistance level and this is the minor support level. So anytime price get to this minor support level and you see a rejection, you can place a buy stop order right above it. Like looking at this candle right here during this period, you can see that there's a reversal candle at this point, a bullish candle. So this bullish candle stands as a potential that price is likely to go to the upside. So supposing you have placed a buy stop order above it, you can see that you will have make profits, right? So that's how you're going to trade in between this minor resistance level and minor support level. You buy when price gets to this point when you notice a rejection, and you sell when price gets to this point when you notice a rejection. So that's all on Euro USD analysis. If you do enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also share to your friends, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.